The airport sandwich disaster. Tom was flying for the first time. He was going to Italy with his best friend Anna. At the airport, he was nervous. "Do I need to take off my shoes?" Tom asked. "No, not yet," Anna said. "Just relax." Tom held his passport like it was made of gold. He checked his bag again and again and again. "Tom," Anna said, "your passport is safe. Your ticket is on your phone. You're okay." But Tom wasn't listening. He was hungry. "I'm going to buy a sandwich," he said. At the snack bar, Tom saw a delicious sandwich. Turkey, cheese, lettuce, tomato. It looked perfect. "Do you want anything?" he asked Anna. "No, I'm good," she said, smiling. Tom bought the sandwich and sat down. He took one big bite. Suddenly, a voice on the loudspeaker said, "Final call for flight 892 to Rome. Gate B12. Boarding now." Tom's eyes went wide. "That's us!" Anna shouted. "But my sandwich!" Tom looked at it, heartbroken. "Forget the sandwich. Run!" Tom grabbed his things. He ran with the sandwich in his mouth. Lettuce flew. Tomato fell. He looked like a cartoon. At the gate, the airline worker said, "Passport and boarding pass, please." Tom searched his pockets. His sandwich, his phone, his wallet, no passport. "Tom," Anna said slowly. Tom turned around. There he was, his passport, on the snack bar's table, next to the rest of his sandwich. They both ran back. Tom got the passport just in time. "Still want the sandwich?" Anna joked. Tom sighed. "No. That sandwich almost ruined my life." They made it to the plane laughing. Tom was still hungry, but he had learned something important. Moral of the story: always double check your passport and maybe eat after boarding. Thank you for watching this story to the very end, and please don't forget to subscribe.